Today, we're going to learn how to use the study plan. It can be used three different ways. The first way we want to use it is to practice any skill randomly. First, we need to find the study plan. You can locate the study plan under chapter contents by picking any particular chapter. And the third option is always the study plan. The study plan is not your homework. You should not do the Quizme's until we find out when to use the Quizme's, but don't do them right now. Alternate way to find the study plan, which is the way I'm going to do it at the moment, is to go down to the link that says study plan. There are three options. In this case, we want to use the all chapters option, which lists each of the chapters. So we can pick randomly chapter 6. We can pick a section 2, and we have various skills that we could work on. So if we wanted to practice a skill finding the amount, we would do this block of problems. If we wanted to just find the percent, we would practice this block of problems. Let's take a minute to switch over. A second way to use the study plan is after completing any test, we want to practice skills that were not mastered. All right, so I've gone to a particular student. We're in the all chapter method or layout, and let's turn that off. Okay, let's go to chapter 4, and notice he has a push pin on it, which means he needs to practice that skill. Comment. Right now I'm showing everything, what we know and what we don't know. We can also click to show just what we need to work on. That eliminates certain chapters or sections. But let's go back to the all. Let's go to chapter 4. And in chapter 4, it looks like he's mastered section 1, section 2, but he's having some trouble with section 3 based upon the test that he's just taken. Let me click on this for a moment. Notice that in addition to, in addition to his test saying he's mastered all of the skills, he's also, prior to doing the test, completed all the particular problems. Let's go to section 3. In section 3, it looks like he's mastered many of the skills, but there's one section on applications that he's having some trouble with. Again, he happens to have done all the problems correctly. He might not have done all the problems correctly when he was doing them, but he mastered the skill on the test. Under solve applications, again, you can notice that he's done all the problems correctly prior to the test, but upon taking the test, he was lacking a complete understanding of that particular skill. Let's stop the video for a moment. There is a third way to use the study plan that is required of you by the program as I have set it up. And that is when you need to retake the mastery test for the third time. You need to earn some Quizme points. Looking at this particular student for chapter 1, he's taken the test, and if he needs to take it again or the third time, he has to earn a minimum of 23 Quizme points. Right now he has 22 based upon the test that he has taken. There are 28 altogether, but he only needs to earn a minimum of 23. He can take this Quizme right away, or he can go practice a couple problems under this particular skill and then take the Quizme. Quizmes are usually 5 questions. Getting 4 out of 5 correct, that's 80%. He earns the Quizme point and expands the purple line. Notice that this particular Quizme cannot be taken immediately using estimation to identify which part is incorrect. he has to practice at least one problem, then the QuizMe becomes live. So we can find the QuizMes either by going to the study plan as I showed you earlier, or on the test, we go into a particular chapter and we go to quizzes and tests. Right above the mastery test is the study plan option. So you don't go here as you're coming down the line, you don't go here first, you take the mastery test. If it happens to be your third attempt, you must go to the study plan, and I'm going in now. Notice, this is me, I haven't earned any points. So I'm going to have to, if I do all the work now before taking the test, I still won't be able to get into the test. I have to take the test first, earn some QuizMe points, and then I just need to earn the remaining points to be able to get into the test for the third time. Hope this helps with how the study plan may be used